Wolf magic. Begin now is a switchword to achieve miracles in life. Having faith and determination is the key aspect in getting desired results from switchwords. Switchwords are mantras which, if chanted properly, yield desired results. These words help in switching and channelizing your energy in the desired direction for helping in manifestation of your wants. Like a mantra in Hinduism, these words have the power to change your destiny by using your own energy in a focused way. Any simple words can become switch words, and there is no prescribed way of using these words. In fact, all the words are equally powerful to qualify as switch words, so you can decide your switch words. Some words have a special meaning in our life. It can be associated with a thing, the movie, an experience, a place, the person, the feeling, the song, a color, a particular smell, or any other feeling. For a person in love, the name of his partner can be a strong mood uplifter. Similarly, a word representing a very deep trauma associated with the past can be a big mood spoiler. Such strong words which have some special meaning for you can become the potent switchwords. When important switch words are combined like a mantra, they form the switchword phrase. Switchword phrases can be constructed by using switch words in order of importance without worrying about grammar. Having a long switch word phrase can create confusion and also can be counterproductive if all the words do not carry the same energy. This can lead to delay or non-attainment of desired results. Switch word phrases should ideally be a combination of 2 to 4 switch words at the most. Wolf magic. Begin now is a switch word phrase. Wolf is known for its intelligence and family bonding. The other 3 words magic begin now are positive switchwords which anyone and everyone can relate to. If chanting, singing, praying or repeated writing of this switch word phrase is done in a periodic manner, it works in mystical ways to help achieve the desired results of attracting money, prosperity, getting out of problems and achieving success. The smaller desires take less time to materialize while the big goals of life take longer. A person's karmic balance also plays an important role on how quickly the results can be achieved. It goes without saying that unrealistic expectations without the concrete steps and efforts in the right direction will not help in achieving success. For any results to start showing, chanting should be done at least 3 times a day for 10 minutes in parts or 30 minutes in total. The more you chant or pray or sing or write down wolf magic begin now, the more connected your subconscious mind becomes with the manifestation of the idea, and starts overcoming the mental blocks and helps in achieving the desired outcome. As in case of prayers, even chanting of switch words can be done for the benefit of others. This is called proxy chanting, and the person chanting is called proxy chanter. However, proxy chanting takes longer for the desired results to achieve, and a very strong emotional connect with the beneficiary.
And please remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for many such interesting videos.